Oh my God, this is fun.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh, that's so
Put a dog ball in.
That's so awesome.
And you can put a treat in there too.
Oh my gosh, thank you
And it
so
glows in the
much.
dark too.
That's great.
Oh, he loves it. Look at that. Oh, he loves it. Holy cow. Clancy loves it. Oh, good boy. Perfect size for him. Oh, you have to hold it up to a light first to make it glow.
Oh no, it doesn't really.
Yeah, you have to hold it up to a light first.